Manipur University ki Psychology Department na numit Nini Chupna Chathagadaba Technology and Mental Well-being Haibahiramda National Seminar Hodokrai Advanced Technology ki kanaba mafam chana sizinaba changi natrabadi aikhoi miyoibagi amangba oi haina Manipur University ki School of Mathematical and Physical Sciences ki Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjobam nu phongdokhi Manipur University ki Court Hall da pangthokpa seminar hongdokpagi thoramaduda Professor Sumitra na makha taraduna Advanced Technology ki kanaba sing mafam jana sizinabana miyoibigi kanaba oi haibasi aikhoi pumbana khangi adubu technology asibu kana dabarom da ka hena sizinarabadi maduna miyoibada amangba kaya pirakli kana roidaba mong da advanced technology asi sizinaduna mental health na sokhan gumsi haina phongdokhi Seminar Hodokpa Thoram Aduga Mari Lenana Magazine Amadi Mental Health and Conflict Paradigm Haiba Lairik Amasu Phongki Thoramaduda MU ki Department of Art Science ki Professor S Ibotombi Tripura University ki Department of Psychology ki Professor Nutan Kumar S Thinguzam Psychology Department ki Head Professor S Jiban Kumar Yauna Miyoy Kyana Sarukya
In our time, we never heard of counseling, we never heard of therapy, but now I think it has become the norm, especially in the advanced states or in the other countries, advanced countries. I have heard that most of the students, they have a therapy. So that just shows that they have so much of pressure. And this kind of pressure, it can be related to the advancement in technology. The seminar that is being conducted will address this kind of issues, and it will help in working out strategies on how technology can be used for the advancement and for the benefit of human beings, and at the same time not to let it affect the mental health.
So suicide is one of the third highest cause of death because of mental disorder. So this disability, this discomfort or this disorder may also be because of this technology that we have. To be very honest, this technology which is supposed to be a boon is sometimes becoming a curse to someone.